We were looking for an adjustable desk for our daughter and came across this one at Ikea. It's the Rodulf desk. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. Rodulf. Not like the reindeer Rudolph, but it's Rodulf. And after I get it put together, I'll give you a quick review of what I think of the Rodulf desk. Tools and items needed. Ikea Rodulf desktop. Ikea Rodulf hardware. A screw gun or Phillips screwdriver. Everything else comes in the box. This desk comes in gray and white, but you do have the option of buying just the hardware and building your own custom desk. But that wouldn't give you any of the pre-drilled holes and mounts that are built into the underside of this desktop. On the Bruce scale, technical ability I rate as a beginner, as long as you can follow simple drawings and use a screwdriver. Physical ability I rate as easy. The hardware is heavy, but the desktop is fairly light. Alright, let's get this put together. The first thing you'll want to do is unbox everything and lay out all the parts, hardware, and screws. Make sure you have the same quantities that are in the instructions. Let's see, step 1. Attach the angle bracket together, aligning up this hole here with the tab on the end. Need to make 2 sets of brackets, holding them together using one Allen head bolt and a nut. Use the bolts that don't have the threads going all the way up. Step 2. Attach the 2 end brackets using 8 of the Phillips head screws, but do not tighten the screws. Step 3. Place angled brackets inside the 2 end brackets, making sure they are on the inside, not the outside of the bracket mounts. Step 4. Screw 2 Phillips screw heads into the holes at the center of each angled bracket. Do not tighten. Step 5. Insert legs and motors in between the angled brackets, aligning the holes in the brackets to the holes in the motor. Step 6. Attach legs using 8 Allen head bolts. Once you have all 8 bolts in, tighten them using the provided Allen wrench. Now you can tighten the 10 Phillips screws using a screwdriver or a screw gun. Step 7. Attach the 2 feet to the legs using the remaining 4 Allen head bolts. These should be the ones that have the threads going all the way to the tip of the bolt. Tighten using the provided Allen wrench. Step 8. Oops, I already did step 8 after step 6. Step 9. Screw in the rubber feet. You will use these to level the desk on an uneven floor. Step 10. Attach height adjustment switch to bottom of the desk. Put it on the left or the right side, whichever side you prefer. Just remember, it will be on the opposite side when you flip the desk over. Use the 2 smaller wood screws to attach it. Step 11. Run the control wire through the U-slotted hole in the angled bracket. Step 10. Wait, I already did step 10. Does this mean skip to page 15? Huh. And step 11 again. Looks the same as the other step 11. Okay, step 12. Okay, this is new. Step 12. Add in the control module. Okay, step 13. And looks like step 14. Connect the wires from the 2 motors and the switch to the control module. There are 2 connectors that power the motors, one from each side. Then we have the control wire. Step 15. using the 2 longer Phillips wood screws attached to the control module. This now shows it on the back side of the desk. I guess that is so your knees don't hit it. Step 16. Attach the cable cover. Hook the elastic band on the tab with a U-shaped hole. Okay, let me connect the power cable. Something doesn't seem quite right. What's the purpose of this cable cover? Okay, let me check the instructions. Alright, I don't see the control module in step 17. Let me go back a couple steps. Okay, wait a second. Looking at step 15 and 16 more closely, there are these arrows showing the module fits in between the rails. Ah, that makes more sense. Then the cable cover covers everything up. Alright, let me fix this. And while I do, how about hitting that like button and subscribing to Brew Builds for me?
Hit that like button and subscribe to Brew Builds. Hit that like button and subscribe to Brew Builds.
That should be it. Time to flip this over. Well, I was able to put the desk together without any parts left over. I did make that one mistake of putting the control module in the wrong spot, but that was in the part of the manual where it kept on repeating steps and it was a bit confusing. And if you just take a quick glance at the drawings, you'll probably make a mistake, just like I did. This desk seems sturdy enough and you shouldn't have any tipping issues. It does measure 31.5 inches by 55 inches. And there is a max payload of 176 pounds, which probably is enough, but you shouldn't use this as your own personal elevator. These corners are a bit sharp and it does hang out in the room a bit. It would be nice if these were a larger radius corner so that you wouldn't jab yourself if you walked into it accidentally. Ow! This is a reasonable stand-up desk for the price. It's pretty basic. It does go up and down, and you can store 2 height settings here, but I haven't done that yet. As I mentioned at the beginning of the video, do you have the option of purchasing just the hardware, so you could build your own custom desktop as an option. I'm a bit tempted to do that, but I have plenty of projects on my plate right now. If you'd like to see me do more videos like this one, leave a comment below. Now, let's see how high this actually goes.